Whew. All right. Up under a house. Nasty under here. I just ripped out all this cast iron. Look at it. That's coming from the wash machine. That pipe is over half corroded. I replaced that kitchen sink right there a couple of months back. Look at that. Look at the gunk in that. I just cut all this out and dropped it. I gotta beat it out and take it out of here. It's gonna be tough, but I can handle it. I'm redoing all this plumbing up under here, every bit of it. Anyway, that's it. Nasty. Nasty, nasty. That's a vent. I'll just tap on right here and keep that cast iron because it's just a vent. So anyway, that's it. Look at that. Woo! Anyway, this right here, if you're doing cast iron, see that grinder? It's just a Ryobi grinder. But it's perfect because it doesn't, you don't care, you don't pay much for it, so you don't really care if you get it wet. But see that thin blade? See that thin blade on there? That's what you use, a metal cutting blade, real thin one. That's what you use when you want to cut out that cast iron. All right, this is the shower. Look, totally corroded. Look at the two little holes. Totally corroded. Crazy. Anyway, we'll see you.